Hey Amit, got a minute?
Hey, hi Aarti.
Hi. I heard you're speaking at the SNIA Meetup. Who do you think should actually attend this session?
Okay, honestly, anyone who has storage in their world and is starting to see AI show up in their conversations around them, you don't have to be deep in the AI. Anyone who designs or makes decisions around storage infrastructure and is storage starting to see AI workloads in their environment.
Interesting. So if someone's working on AI systems today, why should they care about this topic?
So here's the thing, right? Everyone is focused on the model, the compute, the framework. Storage feels like it's already sorted. The compute get the attention, the data pipeline is usually where the real bottlenecks set in, right? And then at some point, the performance isn't what you expected, and you start tracing back where things actually slow down.
Got it. Makes sense. So where do teams usually get stuck when AI meets storage?
It's usually isn't one big moment. Teams underestimate how much access patterns change. So what worked well for traditional workloads not automatically translate, and teams often discover that late in the cycle. It's more like the things start feeling harder than they should, right? The access patterns are different, the volumes are different, and the assumptions that were baked into earlier decisions just quietly stop holding true.
Yeah, I've heard that before. So what's one thing about AI and storage that usually surprises people?
Data lifecycle. How quickly data lifecycle management becomes a first class problem. Everyone thinks hard about how data comes in. Not enough people think about what happens to the data in 6 months later when you are running at scale.
Nice, and that's interesting. What can people expect to actually take away from this session?
I'm not going to hand anyone one single formula. Probably a clear set of questions to bring back to their own architecture conversations. But I do think people will leave with better questions, and sometimes that's more useful than the actual answers.
All right, that sounds useful. So we are diving deeper into this at the SNIA meetup with Amit. Links in the post if you want to join.